never used a crochet needle before, it's super easy. All you're gonna do is go ahead and open up the latch, and you're gonna stick it just underneath the cornrow. Then you're going to place that on, close that latch up, and then you're gonna pull it through. And then you have a knot. I usually have about 2 to 3 knots inside. Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. In today's video, I am using 2, not just 1, but 2 packs of the Freetress Braid 2x Wand Curl Braid collection. There you go. I am using this in the color 1B. When I return back, I'm probably gonna have the back part done because you can't see that anyway. So let's keep on going. Let's get this thing started. So it's been about 20 minutes, and this is literally the easiest. This is literally the easiest set of crochets that I've ever installed. It's only been, like I said, 20 minutes. I have used, I've used about almost a pack right now. So I still have an entire pack remaining. Lots of hair. So that was just one pack. I'm going into my second pack right now. And I haven't separated the strands. I'm just keeping them the way it is. It's pretty thick, but as I get toward the front, this is usually my part, somewhere in between here. I'm probably going to separate it as I get closer toward my part line. But for right now, I'm just gonna go on in and keep it as thick and bulky as it is, and I'm not gonna thin it out. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time.